My name is Dolson. I'm on the university's English Fellowship, and I'm a first-year PhD student in the Computer Science and Engineering department, and also in the Ecology, Evolutionary Biology, and Behavior department. Basically, the career that I want to pursue involves doing research that's at the intersection of ecology and evolutionary biology and computer science. And I think that that's a really exciting intersection that's going to become a really important one in the future. But right now, there aren't many people studying it, and MSU really has like the only strong program in what I want to do. MSU has two programs that offer support to my interests. First, it has the Beacon Center for Evolution in Action, which is an NSF Science and Technology Center. So it's most likely 10 years of heavy funding from the NSF to have a team of interdisciplinary people studying evolution from a variety of perspectives. And there are a lot of evolutionary biologists, computer science, and ecologists in that program. The intersection between ecology and evolutionary biology and computer science is pretty broad. There are a few important parts of it that I'm interested in studying. The one that I've been doing the most work on in the past is kind of using computer science to develop tools for studying ecology and evolution. So like in the past I've worked on a project to facilitate more efficient data collection via wireless sensor networks in forests. And that's really important for ecology because there's this massive upsurge in wireless sensor networks, but there isn't a great way to analyze that data yet. Yeah, my advisor is Charles Zofria, and since he was the creator of Evita, it's really exciting when I get to work with him. He's probably the person in Beacon who has the closest parallel to my interests. I definitely do more ecology than he traditionally does, but he's been really welcoming and letting me continue my work on wireless sensor networks in addition to working with Evita, so that's been really great. So right now I'm working on two projects mostly. One is that I'm continuing my research from the summer, because that project on wireless sensor networks is having really promising results. There really isn't anyone else who's doing what I'm doing exactly, which is attempting to find a way to analyze sensor data in the context of the data from all the other sensors in a network. And because networks are getting so large, being able to leverage that for error and event detection is really important. So I'd like to see my research applied in a wide variety of contexts, really. First of all, for the sensor network research, I definitely want that to be able to be used to help make ecology more efficient and make it easier for ecologists to leverage the data that they're collecting. I think that that's really important, and there aren't that many people who are working with ways to incorporate ecology's new big data into ecological research. Also, by studying evolution with computer organisms, we can also advance the field of evolutionary computation and become better at using evolution to evolve solutions to problems. So I also see my research having implications for that. As the transition happens from people saying this is a thing that we should study to people actually developing programs to study it, I do think that there should be a lot of jobs opening up in my specific field that there should be less competition for than perhaps in other fields. So I'm optimistic.